If you've ever struggled with uneven edges, warped wood, or the frustration of trying to fit pieces together seamlessly, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the world of woodworking with a detailed review of the best wood jointers available on Amazon. A good jointer can be a game changer, transforming rough, twisted boards into smooth, straight pieces that are perfect for crafting furniture, cabinets, and more. In this video, we'll break down 5 fantastic options. The Shopfox W1829 Benchtop Jointer, WenJT 630H 6-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer, Craftsman Benchtop Jointer, WenJT 833H 8-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer, and the Wahuda Tools Jointer. We'll cover their features, strengths, and why they stand out from the competition. Stick around until the end because we'll also share which of these tools offers the best value for money and the features you can't afford to miss. Plus, we've added product links in the description box and pinned them in the first comment to help you get the best deals quickly and easily. Don't miss out, let's get started. Shopfox W1829 Benchtop Jointer. Let's kick things off with the Shopfox W1829 Benchtop Jointer, a popular choice for both professionals and hobbyists. This jointer is powered by a reliable 1.5 horsepower motor, which delivers consistent cutting power. Its 6-inch cutting width is ideal for a variety of woodworking projects, from simple repairs to more complex designs. What sets the Shopfox W1829 apart is its cast iron table, which ensures stability and precision during operation. The adjustable infeed table allows you to control the depth of the cut with ease, making it a versatile tool for different types of wood. Another great feature is its built-in dust collection port, which keeps your workspace clean and minimizes airborne debris, an absolute must for health and safety. Whether you are working with softwoods or hardwoods, this jointer provides smooth, tear-free finishes. It's a durable, dependable tool that offers great value for money. Check the link in the description to see more details and grab one for your workshop today. WenJT 630H 6-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer. Next on our list is the WenJT 630H, a compact and budget-friendly jointer that doesn't compromise on performance. Equipped with a 10mm motor, this jointer powers its spiral cutter head to deliver incredibly smooth results. The spiral cutter head uses multiple small blades, which not only ensure precision but are also easier to replace compared to traditional straight blades. The 6-inch cutting width makes this jointer perfect for hobbyists and small shop owners. It also features an adjustable fence, which allows you to make bevel cuts with precision. The lightweight and portable design make it easy to move around, making it a great option for workshops with limited space. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution for straightening and smoothing boards, the WenJT 630H is a fantastic choice. Be sure to check the description box for the product link and see if this tool fits your needs. Craftsman Benchtop Jointer. Moving on, we have the Craftsman Benchtop Jointer, a reliable tool for woodworkers who need consistent performance without breaking the bank. This jointer features a powerful motor and sharp cutter head, ensuring smooth, clean cuts every time. Its adjustable cutting depth makes it versatile for various woodworking tasks, whether you are dealing with thin veneers or thick, rough lumber. The Craftsman jointer is designed with a sturdy base that minimizes vibration, allowing for better control and accuracy. The ergonomic design ensures ease of use, even during long sessions. Beginners will appreciate its straightforward operation, while seasoned woodworkers will love its reliability. If you are looking for an affordable yet effective tool to add to your collection, the Craftsman Benchtop Jointer won't disappoint. Don't forget to check the description and comments for the product link. WenJT 833H 8-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer. Now let's talk about the WenJT 833H, an 8-inch Spiral Benchtop Jointer that's built for larger projects. Powered by a robust 10mm motor, this jointer can handle wider boards and tougher jobs with ease. Its spiral cutter head ensures smooth, professional finishes without tear-outs, making it perfect for both softwoods and hardwoods. The spacious table and adjustable fence make this jointer ideal for creating bevel cuts and working on larger pieces. It's designed for durability and precision, making it a great choice for advanced woodworkers or anyone looking to upgrade their current setup. If you are working on larger projects or need a reliable tool for frequent use, the WenJT 833H is an investment worth making. Check out the link in the description to see its current price and reviews. Wahuda Tools Jointer. Finally, we have the Wahuda Tools Jointer, a standout choice for woodworkers who demand precision and quality. This 6-inch jointer features a spiral cutter head with carbide inserts, ensuring smooth, tear-free cuts and long-lasting performance. The cast iron table and adjustable fence provide stability and versatility, making it suitable for everything from straightening rough lumber to crafting intricate pieces. Its compact design is perfect for small workshops, while its robust build ensures it can handle heavy-duty tasks. If precision and durability are your top priorities, the Wahuda Tools Jointer is the perfect fit. Click the link in the description to learn more and get yours today. There you have it, 5 amazing options for the best wood jointers on Amazon. Whether you need a powerful all-around performer like the Shopfox W1829, a compact and budget-friendly option like the WenJT 630H, or a precision powerhouse like the Wahuda Tools Jointer, here is something here for every woodworking enthusiast. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Also, check the description box and the pinned comment for links to all these jointers. Which one do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy woodworking.